J-Spec back at you with another unboxing video. This time it's on this joint right here. Ring Home Alarm Security Kit. This is the 10-piece kit from Costco. This is the latest, the newest one that available to date, right? The older version, which is the one that I have, is already went out. It's like sort of like in and out. So I bought a new one. That's the side of the box, the front of the box, the other side, and of course the bottom is right there, right? The reason why I bought this one, oh, the top of the box right there, by the way. The reason why I bought this one, my old one went out. Like I said, the newest 10-piece kit from Ring that they sell at Costco. All right. Oh, by the way, those of you that are wondering, it costs $229.99 minus $50 off. So if you want to get it at Costco. At your local Costco should carry them, or Costco website. I prefer going through your local Costco, so you do avoid paying extra. I know sometimes they ship it free from their Costco, but sometimes they added like $5 without you knowing it, right? But anyways, I bought it $229.99 minus $50 off. Without further ado, with my trusty knife, let me cut the seal on both sides. Take this out. And after this video, after this unboxing, I'm gonna show you my old kit. So I'm gonna show you side to side what's the difference between the new one and the old kit, right? Since I haven't installed the new one anyway, already uninstalled the old one, so we're gonna do a comparison video right after this. So stay tuned for that. Also, wait for that upload, but make sure to click the thumbs like button. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and all that good stuff. Anyways, ring goes like this. Oh crap, that's not a seal. So you open like that, right? Open like that. Right off the bat on top is that big booklet. You say always home. And this is the base unit. Alright. Let me see my own one. It's not that much different with the newest one. I'll show you the difference, but there is a different though. This is the newest one, okay? The newest 10-piece home system. And this is the, I don't know, just underneath here. The keypad, totally different. I can tell it's way different than the older one. The older one is like bigger. What else? Inside that box, there's nothing else. Right underneath here, it says accessories. And you already know that's the contact sensor. They have, oh crap, they got, oh, it's smaller contact sensor. I like it compared to the old one. Oh, this is much better. Anyways, this contact sensor, there is a total of 6 of this. They got base station adapter, which is the power cable. They got the motion detector right there. Keypad adapter. Range extender. So basically it comes with 6 contact sensor, which is way better. Already liking this, right? I'll just unbox it. 6 of this. Range extender, which is, it comes with the old one, which is, this one is newer, like it, smaller. It look more rounder, look better. Adapter. So, and there's nothing else in there. With that said, first thing first, let's go take out this keypad adapter, right? This is what the keypad adapter look like. Nice. It looks different, way different than the older version. There's the cable, mounting screws in there, right? That's pretty much it. I like it. The new plug is way smaller. Well, it's not way smaller, but it just so rounded. Everything is so rounded now, right? That's for the keypad, which is, this is what I'm talking about right here. That's for this right here. All this is for that. And this right here, let's take this out. And I like Ring product. Customer service is like, you know, in and out, but like, you know, let's say like out of like 10 calls that I made, 6 is good customer service, 4 is the worst. But still a good company. The new contact sensor, whoa, this is nice. Motion detector. Like I said, this is totally looking way better. I think this is the biggest difference out of this with the old one, is that like I said, it's more rounder. Everything just more rounder. Like, you know, this right here, it just, I don't know, looks better, look more perfecto. And this is the base station power adapter. Let's go take this out. Again, looks better, looks rounder, looks smaller. I will show you a comparison video on it. It comes with the Ethernet cable. Nice. And that's pretty much it. Oh, those of you that want to see the contact sensor, right? I'm sure you guys want to see this. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Let's open it up. Wow, the contact sensor is small, bro. Sheesh. Anyways, like that, right? Here are the contact sensor. Wow. Small, really small contact sensor. But the actual unit, this one is like kind of wider. The good thing about all this, that now they put all the three, you know, this sticky material already on the back of it. The older version, it comes without this. Like, you know, it comes with this sticky part, but you have to do it yourself, like put it on. Now it's like, you know, pre-cut, like, you know, everything is just way better. And that's pretty much it on this video about the unboxing the newest Ring alarm system. Get it right now, those of you that have been looking for alarm system. $229.99 minus $50 at your local Costco. Go get it if you want it. If you don't want it, it's up to you. But to me, this newest version, it looks dope. I like how the back part, hold on. I like how the back part, see that? There's a tape, and there's one right here, and there's one right here. That's for the corner, you know, like when you put them in the corner right there. Yeah, they think about this, you know, like let's say like that, when you put them in the corner, see? Bam! Yeah, buddy. Anyways, it's me just checking them out. Stay tuned for more video. Right after this, I'm gonna go do comparison video. So make sure to click the thumbs up button if you like this video. Those of you that have been looking what you're gonna pay, what you paying, what you're getting, is that this new alarm system right here. I don't know. What do you think about it? To me, I think it's worth it. It's only $179.99. And you cannot be disappointed with Ring. The customer service is pretty cool. Oh, another thing that I need to unbox for you. Those of you that want to see this one last box right here. This is the range extender right there. Like I said, they just make everything is so round. It's just like, you know, more modern looking. I don't know, it looks pretty cool, way better than the old one, that's for sure. All right, enough talking. Stay tuned for the comparison video, right? It's me just picking up. Peace. Stay tuned for more video. Enter the giveaway video, guys. All right, peace out. Subscribe, click the thumbs up button.